Good morning and welcome to Kern Living. I'm your host, Ryan Nelson, and on today's episode, we're talking about our health with, of course, I always say our family members from Omni Family Health. So how are you?
I'm good, Ryan. Thank you. Nice to see you again.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's January, so that means it's time for National Cervical Cancer Awareness Month. I got it right. Can you tell me about that?
Sure, Ryan. So Cervical Cancer Awareness Month is a great time to talk about pap smears and the HPV vaccine and how it can prevent cervical cancer. Cervical cancer used to be one of the leading causes of cancer deaths for women in the United States, but with early detection and vaccines, it's become much less prevalent.
Okay, so what exams and tests can people take to detect this?
A pap smear and an HPV test are done to detect cervical cancer, and these are done every 3 to 5 years depending on your age or the type of test that's used. The pap smear will look for changes in the cells of the cervix, and those changes could indicate precancer or cancerous cells. So the earlier we detect those changes, the better.
Okay, and you did say age. So what age should somebody get tested?
Yeah, women should start getting tested for pap smears at the age of 21. And if someone doesn't have insurance or maybe can't pay, we work with a lot of programs that will make both the pap smear and the visit completely free. It's important not to wait because early stages of cancer might have no symptoms at all, and it's not until later on in cancer that a woman might start to have some symptoms, but even those could be really mild.
Okay, is cervical cancer preventable at all?
Yes, the good news. Cervical cancer can be prevented by getting the HPV vaccine, using condoms, and not smoking. This type of cancer is also treatable, especially if it's detected early.
Okay, now what exactly is the HPV disease?
HPV is the human papilloma virus, and there are many different strains of this virus, but some of them are cancer causing for both women and men. So the HPV vaccine is what we use, and it can be used for both boys and girls starting at the age of 11, and it's been proven to be a very safe and effective way at preventing cancer. So if you need an HPV vaccine, or you know a woman that has a cervix, she needs a pap smear, then they can call us for an appointment.
So thank you so much for educating myself and our viewers on all of this information. If people want to know a little bit more, how can they reach you all?
Yeah, it's a great topic, Ryan. It's something that's really important. We want all women to be screened. So there are a lot more to women's health than just the pap smear. So we want people to give us a call if they are due for their pap smear or they just have questions. They can call us or they can look us up online at omnifamilyhealth.org.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much once again for all that information. Make sure you follow us on social media at Kern Living on Facebook and Instagram, and myself at Ryan Nelson 23, and I will see you next time.